Common wounds and injuries are a part of everyone's childhood. Children are always on the run and their days are filled with jumping around, playing, sprinting and whatnot. All these physical activities result in small cuts and bruises from time to time when they fall, lose their balance or scratch themselves while climbing a tree. The symptoms of every injury depend on how your child got it. Some wounds hurt the muscle, which leads to swelling, while some injuries just scrape the skin, causing bleeding. Sometimes, your kid may get scratches or puncture wounds, or he may fall and get a small bump on his head. A severe injury can cause fractures or require stitches as well. What's important is checking the severity of the child's injury and making sure you give him the correct treatment accordingly. Let's look at some easy home remedies which can come in handy the next time your child gets hurt. Margosa leaves, also known as neem, have great antiseptic properties and come in handy in treating minor scratches or skin abrasions. Crush around 20 Margosa leaves or neem leaves and extract its juice. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, also known as haldi. Mix it well. Dip some cotton pads in this juice and apply the paste on the wound. Let it stay on for as long as possible. Reapply after every 3 to 4 hours. If your child has bumped into some hard object, it's quite possible there will be a bluish black discoloration on the skin. It's called a bruise. To treat a bruise, crush a handful of spinach leaves to make a paste. Apply this paste on the affected area and leave it for about 20 minutes. Then wash it off with normal water. You should also tie up some ice cubes in a piece of cloth and apply it on the bruise for 5 minutes. Follow this by applying a hot compress after 1 hour. It should help get the blood circulation going. Use these remedies only in case of minor injuries. If the child complains of excessive pain, it's best to rush him to a doctor. Take care. Hi, hope you liked the video. Write in your comments below and let us know what you think. Do subscribe to HomeVeda to stay updated with our new videos and to join our nature-loving user community. I will see you again soon. Till then, take care.
For more such natural home remedies, visit www.homeveda.com.